Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to filter WordPress posts by category using Loop Grid Extender for Elementor Pro. Before we begin, make sure you have installed and activated Elementor Free, Pro and Loop Grid Extender for Elementor Pro. First, go to the Template section and create a new loop item template. Set the template type to Loop Item. Choose the source type as Post and then enter the name for the template. Inside the template editor, design how you want your post to appear. You can include the featured image, post title, category name, or any other information you want to display in a card layout. Once you're done designing, click Publish. Next, create a new page and edit it using Elementor. Drag and drop the Loop Grid widget onto the page. Select the loop item template you just created. This will display all your posts in a grid layout using the design you made earlier. Now, drag the Taxonomy Filter widget onto the same page. In the settings, select the taxonomy type you want to filter by, for example, categories or tags. Now, toggle on the Smart Filter option. You'll see two additional settings. Type controls how the filter appears, choose either default or drop-down. Enable Count to show the number of posts available under each category next to the category name. After being satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it. That's it. You've now added a category filter to your post grid in Elementor using taxonomy filters.